So let's see. My computer. Let's put it. Let's put it here on this box. Yes, yeah. What the fuck? Laying down.
Hi everyone, welcome. This is the footage I've done yesterday, and before ending, I noticed that something fly by very fast in front of the camera. It was here, just before the ending. Something fly by very fast to the right. This is the editing I've done with some filters, some zoom, and take a look, leave your comments below. I also have a playlist of UAPs and UFOs. Take a look as well. Please share it, drop your comment, press like, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Hi, good morning. Here I am. I hope it's recording. Well, I'm standing the place I usually record the sunset, and also the place is not the first time I catch a very fast moving object. Um, Now they call it UAP. Before that, there was the UFOs. Um, well, and it happens that yesterday, after I shoot the sunset, um, and like I said, it's not the first time around here on this area near my house. Yesterday I was shooting the sunset, and it was when only after I uploaded the video to YouTube, and I noticed that something I've moved very fast in front of the camera. Well, I'm decided so to do some editing. What happens that yesterday was, well, I was sitting on my car listening the live stream. Not the live stream, but after the live stream, I never get the notification on time. But I was watching the latest Jacob Israel YouTube channel live stream. Well, I decided to record where was the trail, what was forming over there, and then I noticed that on those small portion of video that I've done, that something very fast as flying by in front of the camera. So the last time I captured something was very similar, exactly more or less in the same area. This time I catch a little bit more frames. I was recording in 60 frames a second, so I have slowed down the video several times, and I have done a small video that I'm gonna join to this one. I'm gonna send it to Jacob. Maybe he wants to take a look. Of course, I'm gonna share it with Mr. MEB and probably other channels. See if I can, well, maybe you can also give your opinion and please share it. I really enjoying this. So it's not the first time I captured one, so I got another one to join to the list of my playlists that you can take a look as well. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Share it, press the like, and give me your thoughts around this. Bye bye. See you soon.
You're entering the sheep cave, which is a great thing. Now, I do see that as, like Ben was saying, something, I don't know if you heard about this news. Here, take a look at the article.
Well, as you can see, it's not a bug, it's not anything else. It's probably, and I'm quite sure there is a Tic Tac object flying very fast in front of my camera. Okay, thank you so much. Give me your opinion. Please press the like and share it. Thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye. Be safe.